How to buy Black Devil token. So this token came under the symbol of anglerfish. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created 10 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Also, this token trending number 9 on Solana section. Now, to be able to buy these tokens, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, open your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Click on swap and make sure to read all and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. And after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customize, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy anglerfish token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.